Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today I'm out for my very first flight of the brand new DJI Avata, and I've charged up everything. I've downloaded the latest firmware. I haven't flown this drone yet. I've been anxious to get out here and start flying it. So today's the first day we haven't had rain. Thought I'd get it up in the air, capture a little bit of footage, and give you my first impressions. Now the drone's on the mat, it's turned on. I've already linked up the goggles, and I'm using the motion controller. I will test it as well with the remote controller at a later date, but I wanted to get started with the motion controller. So let me pull the goggles down and put this thing up in the air and see what it can do. All right, so I've got a clear view of the camera, or I should say I can see through the camera downfield. And to start it, I've got a double tap on the top left button, and that'll start the motors. Okay, the motors are started. Here we go. Oh, we have liftoff. Oh man, let me start the recording, hold on. Oh geez, I forgot to start the recording. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go downfield a little bit. Boy, I'll tell you, when you put these goggles on, oh my gosh, when you put these goggles on, it is absolutely astounding. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm by the pole. Watch out for the pole, Rick. So it's absolutely astounding when you're flying with these goggles on, how clear and crisp that image is. I want to bop and weave with every move. It's like I'm on this wild roller coaster. Watch out for the pole, get away from the pole, go that way. There we go. All right, it's not as smooth as I expected because I'm really not that great yet with the controller. But let's try some tricks this way. Whoa, man, is that beautiful. Now I'm staying pretty close to the ground. Look at that, it's actually identifying the home point. Watch out for the pole. I don't know why I flew out in the field here with all these poles, but oh man, is that cool. Now, I'm sure on camera I look like a total nerd here because I'm ducking and weaving as if I'm in the drone, but that's what happens when you put these goggles on. It's absolutely immersive. I can't put it any other way. It's like if you can suspend reality for a second and just get into the goggles. All right, let me land this guy because coming in pretty hot here. Let me slow it down. See how close I can get to the mat. I'm probably going to cheat a little bit when I come in to land. Just to make sure that I don't land in the grass. I'm hoping I can land on the mat. Let's see. All right, there's the mat. Let's see, get a little closer. All right, and we'll turn this way, come a little bit closer. All right, I think I'm over the mat. I'm gonna take a chance here. It's the only downside of having an FPV is you're not sure if I'm on the mat. I'll tell in a second, as soon as it comes down. Oh, all right, now we'll see. Right in the center of the mat. What are the chances of that? That was a virtual reality. Boom, it landed on the mat. Anyway, this is everything I expected and then some. I'm telling you, when you put these goggles on, as long as you can let go of the reality of standing in a field with the wind blowing on your face and pretend for a second in your mind's eye that you're in the drone, it's unbelievable. It's absolutely unbelievable. It transports you to the camera of the drone, and when you're flying around this field, it really does feel like you're a superhero. It's absolutely incredible. And the motion controller makes the flight so easy because I've got acceleration here, and it's tracking my hand movements any way I move. Now, I'm probably gonna sit down for the rest of the flights just so I've got a little stability underneath me, but I think it's absolutely incredible. And I'm gonna test it today too to see how much length of flight time I can get out of a single battery, because they predicted being 19 minutes, but we all know that's not gonna be the case. I'm assuming it's going to do 12, 13, maybe 14 minutes on a good day. A little bit windy today, so that'll cut down on the flight time a little bit, but let's give it a shot and see how it goes. But anyway, that's it for today. I promise you, I've got a ton more clips coming this week and next week where I'm doing a lot of comparisons with the other FPV drone from DJI. I'm going to take closer looks at the controller, the goggles, the drone, everything you care about. And if you have questions, make sure you drop those in the comments below. I promise to get back to you as quickly as I can with answers. And I'm going to do a top 10 questions clip as well, just to gather up all the questions that a lot of people have been asking and try and get those answered for you as quickly as I can. So stay tuned to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. What are you waiting for? Because we've got so many cool things coming with the rest of the summer and into the fall. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, happy flying.